Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where I try to give you an understanding of embed codes and how you can use them to spice up your Schoology courses. I wanted to start by showing this page on Schoology that I created, which is purely text, and you can see it's quite dull and it's not going to appeal to a wide range of learners. Contrast it to this lesson where I have a video, scrolling down there's some audio of me narrating some instructions, a little bit of text, another video, and at the end some questions which students answer right here on Schoology, and hopefully you can see straight away that it's a much more engaging multimodal lesson that will appeal to a wider range of learners. So in this video I'm going to explain how embed codes work and give you a little bit of a quick sample of how you can grab embed codes from a range of different web apps to put them onto your Schoology pages. Embed codes are essentially just HTML code. HTML is what your web browser uses to display to your web pages, and what it will let you do is grab a video or other multimedia content and put it on a different page. So let's go through and have a look at a few ways you can do that. First of all, I thought YouTube was a good place to start, as that's where a lot of us get videos that we use in class. So I've loaded up a YouTube video here, and if I scroll down I can see About and Share. That should be triggering a thought for you. Yes, we want to share this video. When I click on that, it comes up with the link, and the hyperlink will take me to the YouTube video, but it won't let me grab the video and embed it, place it onto my Schoology page. So I'll change from share this video to embed. I'm always looking out for words like embed or get code or something like that. And here you can see some HTML code that I can copy and paste onto my Schoology page to actually embed this video on my page. I'm going to add one extra detail here, and it doesn't matter if you don't pick this up, but it is best practice, so keep it in mind as you keep playing with embed codes. I happen to know that Schoology pages are exactly 640 pixels wide, so when I go to video size here, often by default it'll be something else. I'll always be looking for the one that is 640 pixels wide. Grab that, copy the code, and I'll show you in a moment how to paste it onto Schoology. First though, I wanted to show you a couple of other apps. Here is an app called SoundCloud. It's great for recording audio or grabbing someone else's audio, and it gives you this attractive player to embed onto your Schoology page. So again, I'm looking for some way to share it. I'm familiar with this icon, which is an arrow, and when I hover on it I can see it says share, so I'll click that. And I've got link, but I know that's not what I want. It says widget code. Last time it said embed, this time it says widget code, but still I can see it looks right, and so I'm thinking that is the embed code. You can see here it says width is 100%. That's even better than saying 640 pixels like in the other one, but again, don't stress too much about that. I just highlight all of that and copy it into Schoology. One more. In Google Drive, I originally made this presentation in PowerPoint, but I've uploaded it to Google Drive, and that means I can now embed it in my Schoology page. It's a bit different here, but I go File and Publish to the web, which makes sense. Publish is the same as sharing, so I want to publish it to the web. I can see here embed code. I'll drag that out, and there we've got a nice block of code ready to paste into Schoology. Here it says medium size. I want it to be about 640, so I'll click that, and you can't see it on the screen there, but it says custom, and I'll make that 640. It wouldn't matter, but it is better if you make it about 640. I've got that, copy it, and I'm ready to paste to Schoology. So going to Schoology now, I'm going to add materials, and this will work for assignments, discussions, or page or text blocks. I'm going to make an assignment because that's what I usually do for Schoology lessons. I won't go through all the details, but you give it a name, test embed, and then I can't just paste the code here or it'll just show up as text on the page. So instead I have two options. I can switch to HTML view. If you've already got a lot of content on your page, then that will look very messy. You'll see lines and lines of code and it may be confusing. But that's what I like to use, and when I go back I've got this yellow box which indicates the content is there. The other thing I can actually do is go insert content, image or media, and when that comes up I go from the web, I paste in, I change it to media, I paste in link or embed code,